Hey guys, it's Mick here with Lincoln Select Real Estate Group at Nebraska Realty. And today I'm here to discuss selling your home in the fall and winter. Of course, believe it or not, we are already in the fall season. You know, pumpkin spices everywhere, pumpkin patches, probably sleeping with your windows open. It's arguably one of the best times of year. But one question we get from a ton of sellers is now a good time to sell my home? And so I want to go over some tips and tricks to selling your home in the winter because guess what? It's never a bad time to sell your home. So the first thing I want to talk about here, of course, is decor. It's super important to make sure that you're making wise decisions when decorating during the fall and winter seasons, of course, with Thanksgiving, Halloween, Christmas, all of those decorations really do make a large presence in homes. So do your best to not over clutter things when it comes to decorating. Do keep in mind that people are going to be touring your home. And I've actually had clients tell me that the decorations and the stockings and all of that were so wonderful, they just couldn't kick someone out of their house. So do keep in mind that that will potentially cause that thought to pass through buyers' minds. So this time of year, maybe less is better, but some decor is also very, very appreciated and expected. So attention to the detail there is everything. Second thing to discuss here is, it's fall, it's winter. That comes with some extra messes to discuss. So, of course, it's the fall season. Leaves are falling from the trees, hitting the ground. It's going to be super important that you keep that curb appeal up. So stay on top of your leaves. When it starts to snow, make sure that you guys are clearing your driveways, sidewalks, your decks, all of that to make sure that everything is nice and clear. I can tell you one thing that really stinks is, having wet socks by the time you get to the front door. So that stuff is super important. Third tip here is make sure that your house is lit. The best way to do that absolutely is to open your blinds and open your shades. Lighting this time of year is phenomenal. So let that light in. It actually adds quite a bit of coziness to the feel of a home, which buyers are really going to like and will definitely help you get your home sold. And finally, doesn't matter what season you're in, make sure your house is sparkly clean. Make sure that you're doing everything you can to help keep up on the traffic coming through your home. And of course, this time of year, there's extra leaves and snow on the ground. So I would highly recommend, adding an additional floor mat in your front door to allow people to, drop those shoes off without, getting your floor all dirty. And then of course, grabbing your Swiffer out and making sure that you're getting everything Swiffered up, at the beginning or end of each day so your house is ready to sell. So is the fall and winter a great time to sell? Absolutely. What we find is most buyers this time of season are far more motivated. They're ready to go. And so you're going to get a better buyer that should create a lot easier experience for you guys. So if you guys are wanting to discuss more about selling your home in the fall and winter, we would love to chat with you. Simply reach out to us. There's links below or visit us at lincolnselect.com. Thanks again, and we'll see you at our next. Hey, thanks so much for checking out our video and watching till the end. If you're looking for more content about real estate, just simply subscribe over here to the right. And if you want more information on what your home is worth, check out sellyourhomelincoln.com to get an evaluation done, and one of our listing specialists will reach out to you to help you determine that final price. Thanks again.